everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can back up your chat on WhatsApp. So you've got lots of chats and you're not sure when your phone's gonna get destroyed, and if it does, how do you wanna keep it safe, right? So what you wanna do is back up your data. And to back up on WhatsApp, it's pretty easy. All you need is just your Gmail account, and that's it. So you want to press on those three dots on the top right. Once you press on that, you want to go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to press on storage and data. Actually, no, I'm wrong on that. Once you're in settings, you want to press on, I think it's account. From account, it should be right here. What? My bad. It should be in chats. It used to be in accounts, and before that it used to be in storage, but they changed it up again. Now it's in chats. So you just want to go to chats. Once you're in your chat, over here you can see your chat history and chat backup. Now this is a fun thing. Once you go to chat history, you can export your chat. So if you're connected to your PC or something, you can export your chat into this archive and store it on your PC. But if you want to just do the traditional online backup, then just press on chat backup and then just press on backup, and that should be it. I'm not gonna back it up because I don't really have much to back up, but that's gonna be it. It's gonna get backed up, and every time you log in to your own account, it's just gonna get downloaded from online, as in your backup's gonna get restored, and that's it. You won't lose any of your data. And remember to back up at least once a week. That way your backups are gonna be fresh, and even if you lose some information, at least you'll have most of the information. So yeah, that's just a little friendly tip. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.